What's up guys, so this is the TOMU office chair you can get off of Amazon. I wanted to kind of give a full breakdown review in case you're thinking about getting it. I'll show you guys what it comes with. I'll show you guys after I put it together, kind of what it took to put it together, and then I'll give my overall thoughts opinion at the end. I was sent this for review for free. However, everything in this video is my overall, honest thoughts and opinion. But let's get in the video. All right, here it is out of the box. Honestly, a lot less parts than I thought for this being, a pretty unique chair. What's nice, a lot of office chairs that I've opened up in the past, the armrest you have to install, the backrest you have to install to the base. This one, pretty much everything's already installed to it. So all you have to do is install the headrest, which you can just slide right here into place and then just put on the base. It also has the wheels right here, and then it has a manual, and then it has like the spring loader that you put into the base. So honestly, everything's already put together out of the box, which is super nice. Really glad you don't have to install the backrest of the seat, because I feel like that's usually the hardest part on a chair. So already we're starting off to a good start here, pretty much all put together already. I did just take the wheels out of the packaging. I do want to say the wheels look pretty awesome. They've got like a metal, everything's pretty much metal on it. And then you got these super smooth kind of like rollerblade style wheels, which are usually the best. I know a lot of chairs are like plastic, and these ones just seem really good, high quality. So we'll test it out when it's actually put together in the chair. All right, so here's the chair now that it's done. Super easy to put together. Like I said, all you have to do is literally just put on the wheels, and then you just put on like the middle part right here, and then you can just slide on the extra chair on top of it, and then just put in the headrest. Honestly, one of the easiest chairs I've ever put together. So pretty amazing that it has that. It looks really nice. Just kind of going around the chair, kind of go around it so you can see it. The whole chair is actually made from real leather, and so it is a pretty pricey chair, but it's made of all leather, which is super nice. The bottom down here is leather, super nice. It has kind of like a rounded seat, which is pretty comfortable to sit in. And then you have leather right here, leather right here, leather right here. And then the armrests are like kind of this plastic or rubberized material. They're a little bit squishy, so they're pretty comfortable. But yeah, the whole thing's leather. The wheels are super nice, like I showed you earlier. The base is like metal. You do have this handle on the side, and I'll show you guys the different features of it. But going around it looks super nice. Here's what the back looks like right here. Pretty cool. It looks pretty futuristic, kind of like a tech style design, but basically the whole thing's black and silver, and you have this gray accent over here on the side. All right, after sitting in the chair, honestly, it's super comfortable. As you could see earlier, it's got kind of the U-shaped design when you sit in it right here, and so it kind of keeps your body locked in so it doesn't move around a lot, but super comfortable. It's got some squishiness to it. As you can see right here up close, it does have really nice padding, honestly. Super comfortable material. It's kind of weird. It's not really firm at all, but it's also not squishy. It's kind of that in between. Down here, it's a little more like padded. Up here, it's mainly like, as you can see here, kind of on the back. You got kind of this like mesh material, and so it's just like, it's just kind of because it is tightened. It just gives you that kind of like squishiness feel, which is super nice. But what I really like about this chair is how adjustable it is. So it's pretty crazy. It's a pretty pricey chair, and for that, you do kind of get what you pay for. There's a lot of adjustments. And so over here, I'll show you guys kind of a different angle, but just me sitting in it, these armrests right here, you can move them side to side, and you can also move them up and down. And what's nice is there's actually these little notches, so you can really adjust it to however you want, and it'll stay there. So these little notches, and then when you get to the top height, you can hold it up, and then the armrest will go down again. You can also adjust the actual arms, so they can go out wide like this or all the way in, and then you can adjust the angle as well. So a lot of different adjustments depending on how you like your arms to sit, which is super nice. And then going along with that as well, you also have adjustments for your back. If you want the chair to go all the way back down like this, you can do that. You have this lever right here on the side. If you put it all the way back, then the chair locks into place where you want it. So you can put it to the middle, and then you can lay all the way back, or you can lay it wherever you want, and then you can put it all the way back, and it'll lock at that angle that you have it. So pretty awesome. And then if you put this little, if you put this forward, you can actually adjust the seat as well. You can adjust it forward or back. So if you put it forward like this, boom. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it goes forward and back as well, which is super nice also. And then another adjustment, you can also adjust the height, just like any other chair. If you pull the lever up, the chair goes up. And then if you pull it down, it goes back down as well. So a lot of different adjustments. Another adjustment is right here. You can adjust the whole lumbar support as well. So there's different notches as well. And it's really nice because you can adjust, you can't adjust this up and down, you can adjust the whole support up and down depending on how you want it to feel for your back. And then lastly, we also have the headrest. The headrest is nice. You can move it this way, however you want. You can adjust it down and up. Same thing, there's these little notches. And then what you can also do is you can actually click this button right here, and then you can actually adjust the entire thing as well. So there's three, different adjustments with the headrest as well. And here's a closer look at the lever. You can put it back like this, you can put it forward, and then you can lift it up depending on if you want it to go up or down. So a lot of different adjustments with this. Super nice, really smooth. Honestly, it's got like a ball joint in there, so really smooth to move it around. And here's the armrest as well. You got kind of the silver look, which is super nice. And yeah, pretty cool. And it is a pretty big chair. But like I said, the wheels are super nice. You can move it around really easily, and it's really smooth as well, which is super nice. In a chair, you want it to be comfortable, but you also, depending on your office and everything, you want to be able to move it around easily. And because the wheels are really nice, you can move it around super easily. So if you guys are looking for a really nice quality office chair, really comfortable, and where you can adjust a lot of different things, definitely recommend checking this office chair out. Honestly, it's a great option in my opinion. Like I said, it is pretty pricey. But honestly, in my opinion, it's very comfortable. It's one of the most comfortable chairs I've ever sat in for an office chair. So definitely recommend checking it out.